about the even odd formula. So even odd, even means the number which is divisible by 2, that is called the even, and the number which is divisible by 2 and the remainder is 1, then that is called the odd number. So how it is used for the even odd? See here, the this one the even, this one the odd, this one the even, this one the even, this one the odd. Okay, so I am taking here the number and it is go to the next even number. Suppose here 112, then it is as written as a 112, but here the odd 113, here 115, here the 116 as a even, and odd as same as the 115. How it is? So select here, go to the math and triangle formula, choose from here the even, and here put the value. I am written this one. Okay, now enter, see the value, and here odd, so go to the here the odd. Okay, choose odd and return the same value and enter. See, this one the 112, here the as it is even and odd, so 100. Now check here, this is called the odd even. Next number, suppose 115, the next 116, 112 odd, 113. So this formula is using for the even and odd, where go to the math and triangular. Okay, thank you.